Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some peanut butter snowballs. So let's get started. To make these easy peanut butter snowballs, I'm going to start out with some peanut butter. And then I'm going to mix in some confectioner sugar. And there are no set amounts, just whatever you need to be able to make this into a dough. And I'm going to mix it with my hands, so I put a rubber glove on. So I just mix it until it sticks together like this. So now I'm just going to pinch off a small amount and roll it into a ball. And I made 14 with just that small amount of peanut butter and icing sugar. And I could dip these right away in chocolate, but they would take longer to set. So I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes, and then the chocolate will set up immediately. Okay, I have chilled my balls. They're not frozen, but they are cold. And I have some melted white chocolate and some waxed paper. So I'm going to take a ball, drop it down into the white chocolate, and place it on the wax paper. And I'm going to do that with all my balls. Okay, I have all my balls coated, and now I'm just going to drizzle a little bit more chocolate on these balls. And there you have some peanut butter snowballs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.